Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select application language on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button, and you can find the second button, the language and voice, and you can find the language section. Click to the first option, the application language, and you can find different language, and just select one and click to the gray circle, and you can check the language of your application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.